In a deep, hidden corner of the Appalachians, where ancient trees stretch their limbs so high they obscure the sky, lives a man named Mason. Mason wasn't running away from anything. He just quietly stepped out of a life where he felt like nothing more than a cog in a massive injection machine. He carried a question quietly burning in him. Where does real creativity come from? He didn't believe it sprang from flashy boardrooms or stressful deadlines. One day, he came across a fallen giant, a great white pine, maybe hundreds of years old, now lying exposed to time and weather. To most folks, it was a symbol of an ending, a hollowed-out husk of an old forest. But Mason stood there, not with a saw in hand, but with silence. He didn't see a dead tree, he saw a forgotten opportunity. In the city, people build by imposing their will on materials. They bend steel, crush stone, they build regardless of the environment. Here, Mason realized the only real creativity was collaboration. He didn't have a blueprint. The blueprint was the tree itself. What others saw as a rotted core, Mason saw as a gateway. Where the trunk was hollow, he didn't see lack, he saw a space waiting to be filled with purpose. he didn't build a house. He simply helped the tree continue its life in another form. He borrowed from the surrounding forest, not by force, but by respect, to turn that hollow core into a dwelling. Every stone, every chunk of clay wasn't just building material, but pieces of a conversation between him and the forest. His home wasn't architecture, it was breath. When night fell and the forest rain started tapping on the roof outside, Mason sat inside, safe and warm. And then he understood creativity isn't making something out of nothing. Creativity is seeing what's been declared ruined, useless, or dead, and having the courage to breathe new life into it. He didn't just discover a home in that tree. He found a message that even in the greatest emptiness, there's always the potential for a home.